So I'm down in Marietta, Georgia, staging at a hotel. I brought 4,500 gallons of fuel as part of the relief for the hurricane. Milton's supposed to hit land sometime tonight into tomorrow morning. Today is Wednesday, October 9th. I drove down here from Illinois. So it was about, I don't know, whatever, about an 18-hour day, going to the terminal, getting fuel, getting down here. So I'll be down here for a while, going into the affected areas with fuel. So I won't be able to show like the truck I'm using or like that for company policy reasons. So, but I will try to just kind of do some video of what I come across and what I see, and hopefully, this whole thing is about helping people out and pulling together and, country in need, right? People in need. So we'll go from there and see what things I face. I brought a couple of smaller chainsaws with me. I don't really have that much room in the truck. I'm sure I'm going to be needing them once Milton hits land. Yeah, it's pretty loose. I'll have to mess with that. But for those of you who know, I used to be a tree man. I feel like I'll be coming out of retirement. Used to do a lot of storm damage. So whatever, whatever it takes. I got fuel to deliver, and if there's something in the way, I'm going to have to clear it. These are the pumps in the back. So that's the gas reel. This is the gas side. Controls down in here. This is a blast hose. I won't be using that I'm aware of. This is the diesel side over here. This is a compartment for loading at the terminal. I'm already preloaded. 1,000 regular, 3,500 diesel. So alright, all looking good, all been checked out. Axles, 3 axles. All good, all good. Say I can't really show the name on the truck. But alright, that's the truck. Oh, close to this tree. I got a chainsaw, I should cut that limb off. I'll look it over. Kenworth T680. So I got, just got to make sure it's been PM'd and ready. I'm just going to pre-trip it. Yeah. Let's wait. Oh, somebody's having a bad day. All right, saw's ready. Everything looks good in here. I've kind of looked this all over. The truck, ready for battle. All right, so I got my my orders ready to rock. Heading to Lake Mary, Florida, and I got all my gear. One thing I miss is my sleeper truck. It's always cramped in these kind of day cabby type trucks. So it'll take me about 7.5 hours to get there. Alright, we'll see what happens, what I run into. So my mission is Sanibel Island. Out there filling generators, lift stations, all kinds of pumps. Until they reestablish power. So it's been kind of a crazy trip down here. Going across the bridge. Island's out there. So yeah, that's the thing. I need to take care of everything I can out there and help whoever I can out there. I'll be basically working for a sanitation division. And helping out whatever they need, keeping their generator running. So I'm at the sanitation department, and they're starting with all these generators that are going to be located out and around to look, you know, places for these lift stations. And so I'll be out chasing around after all of them. There's quite a few already out there that I've been looking for, and ones that I've been filling. Yep. Keep it going. Keep it going. Keep this island running, right? Okay. Oh, Jesus Christ. I'm going down here looking for a frickin' generator. Seriously? Come on now. That Christ. Oh, my God. Beautiful day, huh? Beautiful day for an ocean shore drive. Yeah, so how was that? Some kind of crazy birds in here. Let's see what you got. You're looking at me like, oh yeah, okay. Like, what the hell is this idiot doing out here? So, this boat washed up on shore during Hurricane Milton, and I can't go anywhere until they get it out of the way, which is fine. Do your job, guys. So on the other side, down this road, is a generator that needs to be filled. That's for a lift station. So I'm pretty much gonna have to hang tight, wait for that to get out of the way. Whatever. Oh, yeah, nice day out here at the ocean. Take your time, guys. Take your time. Be safe. Wow. Now I gotta give him a hand here. Try to give him a hand. More hands on it, the better, right? I got a 100-foot tree line with me. I got chainsaws, so. Gilligan's Island. Da, 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 da. Just sitting right back in here, right there. Oh, there we go. Oh, straight back, guys. Straight back, straight back. All right. Now back it up, back it up. You got it, you got it. Oh, you got it. Oh, to the right. Oh, there we go. Road is on. Oh, what's that? Come on, guys, you got it. You know, everybody doing their part out here, you know. You got it good. I got a chainsaw so we can get rid of that tree.
But I'm using the tree.
Oh, using it as a buffer.
Yeah.
Cool.
I'm just trying to figure out how to...
Straight it back. If he tightens on that side, maybe.
Well, if he pulls on that, it's going to go that way.
Yeah. It's all like in the timing of everybody at the same position, right?
Yep.
Houses on stilts. Gotta love it. I like the houses on stilts. All right. So we can do it. All right. I like goofing around with the boat. We come out here for this like portable generator. Come on, guys. I could have filled up a couple of gas cans, 5-gallon gas cans for you. 134. You could have put that out here in a pickup truck. Bringing this big ass truck out here for this. All right, so I'm out filling these pumps at these lift stations. Like this, like sewage. So it smells wonderful. Somebody going fishing. So I don't know if you really hear it. Really wonderful smell. What you were here to smell it with me? Not really. No. That's one of the things that's going. Wow. Sanibel Island. We got hit pretty hard. Whatever. I did not see one in there. Yeah. That's why you want a house on stilts. Right next to the ocean. I don't know about that. Crazy. Yeah, kind of a hot mess. Got all these pumps. Try to take care of them. Looks like the ocean just kind of came right in. Oh yeah, hurricane. Yeah, oh, Christ. Like driving through a jungle. A mouse in the maze. Look at this stuff. Oh, you can't go that way. Look at that house. Yeah, there's a house there. Oh, man. Trying to find a generator out here. But I gotta fill. Oh, Jesus Christ. Oh, look. Tennis court. Oh, yeah, look at that. Okay. Out here, trying to go through these little roads to find these generators at lift stations, and then you come up to these bridges with a weight limit. I'm not driving across this thing. I don't care what the... Yeah, okay, I don't think so. I'm thinking I drive my fuel truck across there. Oh, man. Jesus Christ. Oh, boy. I'm going to try to find this goddamn unit right here. It ain't even back here. They moved it. Would have drove the truck over the bridge. Trying to find a generator that's not here. Take a chance of falling through the bridge. Jesus Christ. Like nobody out here. Everybody evacuated. Yeah. Wonder why. Oh yeah, a hurricane. I played a game of Find the Generator. Like crazy. Right? There's my driveway. What the hell? This stuff is like totally... House is back there. Oh, here it is. Look at this. Right here. There's a generator right here. Cool. Look at these little guys. What are you guys doing today? Causing trouble, I guess. More stilts. Fill that generator. None of these people have power to head to a abandoned ship. Shit. All stilts. Now you got stone stilts. Well, that was Sanibel Island tour for today. A lot of craziness on it. I'll be back out there next couple of days. Just continuing on my mission, keeping things running. So then after that, don't know where I'll get sent off to, but you know, it was a nice day. Got a lot done. A lot of good people out there trying to put it back together. power company's been working non-stop to get it done. So, hope you found it interesting to watch. Let's see what comes up next. So, besides the mission I have on Sanibel Island, keeping those generators going, I have generators like this that I have to come and maintain each day, inspect, and see what their fuel requirements are. Now, this place here really needs this generator because it's a psychiatric place, and they have a lot of psych patients so if they lose power, then all the doors would unlock, and these people would be with this mental illness would be able to just walk out and start wandering the street. So the generator here, its purpose, trip over the damn thing. Its purpose is to, in the event the power goes out, they can turn on the generator and make sure that those doors remain locked. So, it's important for me to come down here. This one's in Naples. And then once I do this one, then I go off to another one. And then, I was reporting back out to Sanibel Island to continue on with that mission. So I'm sitting at this Love's in Fort Myers. Like crazy. Some places got fuel, man. They all come rolling in. My Sanibel Island mission has been concluded, and I'm kind of temporarily displaced, meaning I got no hotel or anything, so I'm just sitting in my truck here for however long, trying to make some connections for a new assignment, a new mission. Still have a bunch of fuel that I'm carrying that I need to find a place to go with it while I'm down here. Then I'm gonna have to find somebody, make couple of calls or make a call. Get myself another hotel room somewhere. This kind of thing is really not for everybody. So, that's one thing. Got all my gear just kind of sitting here. That's one thing I miss about, the thing is advantages of a sleeper. At least, you got a bed. If all else fails, I'm just sitting here at a Love's. I can just go in the back. But now when you're on, just in one of these kind of trucks, and you have to get a hotel room, you got to make phone calls. I don't know, kind of a scramble. I need to do laundry, so I got to find a place, a laundromat or somewhere where I can go do that. I don't know. It's just how it is. It's just the way it goes. Just stay out here and keep on going at it until the next mission, and when I have some idea of where I'm going, where I'm staying, or anything like that. So thanks for watching, and be safe out there.